That stressful situation is transitioning into peace and satisfaction. The universe is channeling positive energy, financial assistance, life-changing blessings, and miracles your way. God reassures you today, acknowledging the weight on your mind, family, health, finances, career. It feels overwhelming and you may feel alone. But know that you're not alone. Lay your concerns at His feet. He promises to send help, healing, and resources, making a way for you. All the resources of heaven are with you. Don't worry, God has your back. Type 1111. He's sending great change into your life, having heard your prayers and knowing your heart's desires for better. Despite enduring challenges and judgments, stay faithful, for God's opinion matters most. If tears fill your eyes as you read this, know that God is speaking directly to your wounded soul, leading you to this message for reassurance. He's making a way for you, healing sickness, restoring relationships, and offering opportunities. Stay in faith. Your breakthrough is imminent. Type yes to affirm. During difficult times when multiple challenges and emotional pain weigh heavily, God doesn't always calm the storm around you, but strengthens the storm within you. You're not alone. He's guiding you through, providing blessings, solutions, healing, and positive change. Hold on, be strong, and trust in His plan, for your miracle is approaching. Feeling tired, stressed, and overwhelmed, God assures you of His presence, offering a blessing to remind you He's always on your side. Trust in His protection and guidance as He shifts circumstances for you and your family. Give Him your problems and rest assured, for He will make a way, refreshing and renewing you for the new day ahead. Type, I need money. As changes unfold, doors are opening into your destiny. God understands your struggles and promises to be with you through every trial. Trust in His timing and plan, knowing that He's working for your good. Embrace the shift, for God is leading you toward your purpose. Donate-us $100 to support our community. Destiny isn't determined by the economy, upbringing, or education. It's determined by your Heavenly Father. This week marks a significant shift for you. God and His angels are actively working on your behalf. Prepare to witness advancement and growth in all aspects of your life. Your breakthrough is imminent. God always intervenes at the perfect time, pulling you out of turbulent situations. As a child of God, you're not meant to face life's pressures alone. Trust in His care and provision. He understands your broken heart and offers healing and protection. Though it may take time, as you seek His presence daily, you'll find the strength to walk into the love, blessings, and destiny He has prepared for you. Despite challenges and opposition, remain in peace. God is orchestrating your promotion. Trust in His unseen workings and be affirmed that He is setting you up for a divine elevation. Trust Him and refrain from burdening your heart with worries. He knows how to navigate you to your destined connections and opportunities. There are surprises in store for you. God's goodness will astound you. As you wait, know that God is preparing you for what's ahead. Embrace patience, knowing that your strength will be renewed and your reward is forthcoming. Though you may not understand God's timing, trust that He is aligning all things for your ultimate good. Closed doors aren't rejection, but redirection to something greater. God will bring supportive individuals into your life, guiding you towards a brighter future. Trust Him implicitly, for He is faithful to lead you along the path of His perfect will. Life I've always provided for you. I will protect you and your family. Though things may be hard right now, trust in my timing. I'm shifting your present circumstances. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Trust me and embrace this day. I know you've been questioning yourself lately, wondering if you're strong enough or good enough to fulfill your heart's desires. Let me remind you that you can do all things through Christ. Don't give up or let fear deter you from your dreams. I am with you, and you will succeed. There will come a day when you forget the pain of the past. I will replace it with a beautiful new beginning. You've cried, worried, and struggled enough. Believe, for a miracle is coming your way. I speak healing, deliverance, and breakthroughs over your life. You will be blessed in all areas. You're about to witness my glory. Prepare to cry tears of joy and forget the pain of the past as I usher in your beautiful new beginning. Trust in my divine timing and provision. I will guide you to the right people and opportunities. Trust me, and let's embark on this journey together. Don't compromise on my plans for you due to past fears. I am with you, lifting you up and guiding you towards greatness. Trust in my love, and let's journey together. I believe in you. I see your pain and struggles. Know that I am already working on your behalf. Don't worry. I have you in my hands. You will emerge from this stronger than ever before. Don't compromise on my plans for you due to past fears. I am with you, lifting you up and guiding you towards greatness. Trust in my love, and let's journey together. I believe in you.